Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about the stock picks for tomorrow. So as usual, first of all we are going to analyze tomorrow's picks, and after that we will get back to today's market review. Guys, one important thing is that in this month we are providing a one-day training program which is called All About Stock Market, which is the name of the program. So if you want to attend the program and learn more about trading, you should definitely contact us through the links in the description or contact numbers in the description. Guys, if you really want to improve your trading skill, you should definitely watch the video till the end, because in the second part of the video we are providing the review of yesterday's pick. So you will definitely get something new to study from that part as well. So try to watch the video till the end. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Hello guys, these are the 4 picks that we are providing for tomorrow, for day after tomorrow. So the first pick is Cadila Healthcare. So in Cadila Healthcare we have already discussed what is happening in this particular stock, so I'm just again saying the same thing, which is it is in an uptrend and price is actually kind of consolidating and making a inverted flag and pole pattern near to the support zone. So there might be a chance of an impulsive wave above this level or a breakdown below this level. Okay, so these are the levels that you can consider for next day. So above 452 you can go for a breakout above 452, 453, exactly above this white line actually. So I'm considering this as the support zone, okay, resistance zone. Okay, so next price level that you have to consider is 439. So below 439 you can consider the breakdown level. Okay, so this is the peak, means these are the levels in Cadila Healthcare, and the next peak is India Bull Housing Finance. So in India Bull Housing you can see that it is again in an uptrend. Okay, so the major trend line is right here. So this is the major trend line, which is this dotted line. Okay, so price is actually nowhere here the support zone. It is making a high right now. So within this trend you can see another trend right here. So I have drawn this second trend line, which is this white line. Okay, so within that trend you can see another trend. Okay, we can draw another trend line, which is this shortest trend line. So we can hope for a breakdown below this level, which is this uptrend line breakdown, or an impulsive wave above these levels. So there are so many levels that you can consider, so the importance levels are noted right here. So the immediate resistance zone that you can go for a long trade when price go above the level, which is 233. So above 233 you can go for a breakout, and below 226 you can go for a breakdown. So these are the levels for immediate support and resistance. So another level which you can go for a breakout is 239. So these are the levels that you can consider for tomorrow, for next day. So that is the case of India Bull Housing Finance. So next pick is TCS. So TCS is also from today's watch list, which performed really well. We got this breakout in TCS. So I'm again considering another level, which is right here, 3093. So above 3093, 3094 you can go for a breakout, and below 3030 you can go for a breakdown. Okay, so these are the levels that you can consider in Tata Consultancy. So that is the case of TCS. So the last pick is Aurobindo Pharma. So in Aurobindo Pharma you can see that I will show you the bigger picture. So this is the case of Aurobindo Pharma. So the price is in an uptrend. You can see right here, this is an uptrend. It's a kind of a rising wedge, and the price is actually in the support zone right here. So possibly you can go for you can wait for an impulsive wave, or you can wait for a breakdown. Okay, so that is the case of Aurobindo Pharma. So I will show you the smaller picture and the immediate levels, which is 872. Above 872 you can go for a breakout, and below 844 you can go for a breakdown. So these are the levels that you can consider in Aura Pharma. So these are the picks that we are considering for next day. Hi guys, these are the picks that we have given for today. So first pick was TCS. So you can see that in TCS what happened is that market opens with a gap up and got rejected right here at since it reached our resistance zone, and we got a fall back till this level. So you could have shorted right here, you could have made a profit from this correction. So after that again we got another correction right here by hitting our resistance zone right here. Okay, right here price got rejected and fell down since this level, but after that we got a false breakout. I mean, it was a kind of a breakout, but we couldn't, it couldn't make at least 0.5%. So it was a stop loss most probably. So most people would have entered here and hit your stop loss right here or below this support zone. So this was a stop loss. So that was the case of TCS. So next pick was Marico. So in Marico, as you can see, again you can see a breakdown right here, but it was not an effective breakdown because you couldn't make at least 1% from this. So at least 0.5% from this. So it was again a stop loss in Marico. Bad luck. So third pick was Escort. So in Escort, we don't have a proper tradable opportunity because price start right here and fell back down and took support right here and again shoot up again. So we don't have proper tradable opportunity, but still it go above 0.5%, and after that you can see this big red candle. It was a breakdown from our level, and after the breakdown if you have entered right here, you could have made a profit of 1%. So which is a proper trade, and after that price rallied till this exact resistance zone and got rejected back from that zone as well. So that was the case of Escorts. So the next pick was Max Finance Services. So in Max Finance Services, you can see that we start here and consolidated for a while, and after that after the evening, after the noon session, you can see that price exactly got rejected right our support zone, our resistance zone, and after that price fell down from that zone, and again we got a breakout from that level as well. So you could have made a profit from this breakout, but it was after the intraday session, I think. So possibly you didn't have the time to enter this trade. So that was the case of MFSL. So the second last pick was Tata Chemicals. So in Tata Chemicals, you can see that price started right here. Yes, right here, and it was a kind of a consolidation in the morning session. It consolidated near to the support zone, and after that it shoot up till the resistance zone. You can see the price got rejected exactly at our resistance zone, and after that it came down and took support exactly at our support zone and again it moved upwards and it make a head and shoulder, a head and shoulder, and we got a breakdown from exactly our support zone, which was the neckline of this head and shoulder. So after the breakdown actually price couldn't manage to give us a proper target. So if you have entered in this breakdown, most probably you could have hit your stop loss at this point of time. So that was the case of Tata Chemicals. So those people who didn't enter in this trade could have made a profit from this trade. Okay, you could have entered at this breakout and at least made a profit till the resistance zone right here. So it was again 6 points, which is 78.78%. So that was the only trade which is a proper trade in Tata Chemical. This was a stop loss hit. So because I'm considering this as a stop loss hit because it didn't manage to go at least 0.5% of its price. So after the breakout, so I'm considering this as a stop loss hit, but you can enter right here at this trade, and you could have entered at this pullback and you could have shorted right here. Okay, so these were the proper tradable opportunities within our level. And the last pick was Acre Motors. So in Acre Motors, you can see that we got a breakout in the morning session right here. We got the proper breakout, and after that price shoot up till this zone, which again is 2%, so almost 2%, which is 1.87%, which is 49 points. Okay, so that was the case of our picks from yesterday's watch list. So these are the picks that we have given for today. If you find this video helpful, you make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Please like the video and give us a lot of feedback on the comment section. Once again, I am saying that please subscribe to our channel, because 80% of the people who are watching this video are not subscribing to our channel. So please try to subscribe to our channel, and you can join our community through the Telegram links in the description. So guys, see you all tomorrow. Bye.